What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Digivest channel. It's Alex. Today I'm talking about BONK. BONK has been on an absolute tear ever since Solana Breakpoint is happening. And this coin just doesn't want to stop pumping. It's insane. People are making a lot of money on BONK, and I think that you should really watch out for BONK. I think it's going to be a great performer in the future bull run, which I think will start very soon if we're not already in it right now. That could be a very big potential as well. The next halving of Bitcoin is going to, I think, catapult Bitcoin to new highs, and the alts are going to get a lot of love. Currently, the alts are not moving at all, really. If you look at Total 3, there hasn't really been any major movement in Total 3 yet compared to its historical levels. So we're only in the beginning stages of this altcoin pump, you guys. Cryptocurrency hasn't really moved that much yet, believe it or not. Even if we're seeing these amazing pumps in all of these coins, we're not really seeing anything yet, right? Alts are still at 361 billion total market cap levels, compared to a high of 1.13 trillion back in November of 2021, all right? So I think that the altcoin market will exceed this 1.1 trillion easily in the next bull run. So keep that in mind, all right? But today I want to share with you BONK is the dog coin of the people. Now, just so you guys know, BONK is actually not the first dog coin on Solana. Samoy coin is the first dog meme coin on Solana. So just keep that in mind because BONK likes to advertise themselves as the first dog coin of Solana. It's actually not true. However, you know, BONK did have a really nice airdrop in the beginning of the year, and they've had a lot of success, and there's a lot of attention around BONK. So you got to give them credit for that, right? Give credit where credit's due. They currently have 462,000 holders, just a massive amount of holders, you guys, because, you know, a lot of this is due to the airdrop, but they also have 131 integrations and they're available on 9 chains, okay? It initially launched as a free airdrop to the Solana community on Christmas Day 2022. BONK's adoption has since grown parabolically to emerge as the true community coin of Web3, all right? Very true statement right there, you guys. Just had an amazing airdrop. It just went parabolic. Ever since then, it's had a very high volume on a lot of exchanges, okay? Their mission is to become the #1 community coin in Web3. So they're looking at multi-chain, DeFi, and gaming, okay? Their website is very basic. They should be updating their website, in my opinion. It's just very, there's not much to it other than that. Use BONK. So BONK posts over 131 integrations across the following categories. So, DeFi, NFT integrations, exchange listings, etc., right? These are all the integrations. So you can get BONK on all of these markets. I will share that with you in a little bit later in the video. So taking a look at their CoinGecko right here. So it's currently up 12.6% today. However, all right, this is the catch. In the last 14 days, it's actually up 323%. Amazing, amazing, amazing performance. And this is actually due to Solana just absolutely going insane. Right now it's currently at $42.40. Okay, it's nearing that $46 resistance point with this moving average on the weekly. So if it hits that $46, that's going to be a sign to take a little bit of profit, in my opinion, you guys. Very strong resistance point for Solana. Okay. But yeah, a lot of these Sol coins are just going off because of Solana's success, and it's partly due to the Solana Breakpoint conference that's happening in Amsterdam right now, okay? It's up 12.6, market cap is 33 million, still a low cap. However, the fully diluted valuation of 72.4 is getting a little bit high in my opinion, especially for a bear market that we're still theoretically in. 24-hour trading volume, though, is just nuts. 14.3 million 24-hour trading volume. This is, you got to give them credit for that. That is just insane. Yeah, we looked at their holder count already. This is their contract address here. 18.4K watch lists. So they're available on BingX, OrangeX, BitGet, Bybit, and I think this is where most of their volume is coming from, which is interesting. MXC, BitGet, all of these exchanges here, okay? And looking at their max chart, so they did launch again in the beginning of the year, end of 2022, I guess, had a massive run. ever since there, it's been bleeding ever since that big run that it had. And then just a week ago, October 18th, 19th, that's when we started to see a more shift in the momentum in Solana coins, and then it's just been absolutely parabolic ever since. 323% in the last 14 days. Okay, guys, so keep this token on your radar. All right, like the video, subscribe to the channel, don't miss any of my videos. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about on this channel. I'm just bringing you guys the gems, just so you guys see the gems, you guys know about them. Keep it on your watch lists, all right? I wouldn't be potentially buying right now, even though there's a lot of FOMO, there's a lot of hype around these tokens. It's probably not the best time to be buying. A, because these tokens have already moved so much, there's bound to be a correction. B, Solana breakpoint ends on November 3rd, so usually there's a dip in Solana at that time. Third, so Solana is reaching that $46 resistance point, so there might be a pullback in Solana, which will have a pullback in all of these other altcoins around Solana in the Solana ecosystem. So just make sure you guys are paying attention. Thank you for watching the video, you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.